Hello, hello, hello again. Welcome back. Okay, another shout out. All right, we got some more FRANZ rhythm coming up. Shout out to Mario. Mario, thank you for this one. Crying in the Rain. It's an Everly Brothers cover. And back in the day, I listened to some Everly Brothers stuff. But I must say, this one I have never heard. Crying in the Rain. Never heard of it. Never heard it before. So anyway, we're gonna check this one out. And Mario, this one's for you, my friend. Okay. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Gets the videos to you. Smash that like button. It really, really helps. So anyway, let's go on with FRANZ Rhythm, Crying in the Rain. Let's go.
I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you will know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so, though the heartaches remain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrop falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I look for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Thank you so much for watching.
Maraming
Good
salamat
job.
po mga karitem. Trio acoustic muna kami kasi hindi pa fix yung aming full band set po.
Okay. All right. Crying in the Rain. Thank you, Mario. I can honestly say I have never heard that song before. Their harmonies, absolutely fantastic. Very impressive. The harmonies are just, I don't know. This one's only about a year old or so. So obviously, as they're coming up, they've been working on their harmonies and stuff like that. I think they have mastered it, or they're darn close to it, because that was absolutely marvelous. Man, they just get better and better. What can you say? So anyway, Mario, once again, I appreciate you for turning me on to this one. And like I said, I'd never heard it before. And the harmonies were impressive. That's all I can say. So anyway, hey, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. And we'll move along. So, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. It's free. And it gets videos out to you. Smash that like button. The YouTube guys, they seem to appreciate that. So, and so do I. But anyway, all right. So hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you.